Hey, what's good? Prashil here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Keychron K4 version 2, a 96% wireless mechanical keyboard. I wonder what we're going to do about the other 4%. Anyway, this is a tactile mechanical keyboard for peak productivity. I mean, I'll be the judge of that, but yeah, let's jump into the unboxing. This is what it actually looks like right out the box, and yeah, these are kind of the features. You guys can pause it and have a look at that. I'm gonna get straight into the unboxing though. So you get a little warning here. If you are a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycaps in the box, then follow the instructions below and replace the following keycaps. So yeah, if you are a Windows user, the Option and the Command button need to be switched with the Alt and the Windows button, and the Alt button also needs to be changed here. Oh, I gotta say, I really like that this keyboard has a little bit of heft to it. It definitely makes it actually feel more premium. And here you are. I gotta say, oh yeah, that is really satisfying. I really like that this keyboard has some actual heft to it, because A, it won't actually move around as much when you're rapidly typing or playing video games or whatever, and B, it just makes it feel a little bit more premium. It's got an aluminium chassis, as you can see around here. It's got this matte aluminium chassis with your keys, all mechanical, and I believe you have a little flips here that you can actually adjust the angle of your keyboard. Also in the box you get this little prong tool, I guess you call it, which basically helps you pull out the keys over here and swap them out if you're a Windows user. You also get the spare set of keys that you can always swap out. And yeah, you also get a cable, which is basically just a Type A to USB Type C to charge up the keyboard itself, and you're good to go. So this has been my unboxing of the Keychron K4 version 2. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my review, and I'll catch you in the next one.